आती जमाती तालिब इल्म। आज हम सवालात के जवाब बयान। हम दुआ और मुनाजात में क्या फ़र्क पाया जाता है? हम में अल्लाह की तारीफ बयान की जाती है, दुआ अल्लाह से मांगी जाती है, मुनाजात में आदमी व उनकी तारीफ के साथ सुना। मुनाजात का खुलासा लिखिए। इस मुनाजात में शायर कह रहा है कि शायर आदमी व इंसानी के साथ अपनी ख्वाहिशात और रंग आलम के साथ अल्लाह की बारगाह में पेश हुआ है और कह रहा है कि अल्लाह तू रहम और करम करने वाला है, अपनी ज़रूरतों को पूरा करने वाला है। ऐ अल्लाह तू दीन व दुनिया में हमारा काम बनाता है और तू ही हमारा कारसाज है। ऐ अल्लाह हम लोग ना उम्मीद होकर तेरे दर पर आते हैं, लेकिन अल्लाह ताला की दी हुई नेमतों पर मुख्तसर मजबूरी थे। अल्लाह ताला ने हमको बहुत नेमतें दी है। अल्लाह ताला ने हमको 5 नमाजें दी है। अल्लाह ताला हम सबके ज़रूरतों को पूरा करने वाला है। अल्लाह ताला ने हम सबको माँ बाप दिए है। अल्लाह ताला ने हम सबको दिन और रात दिए है। अल्लाह ताला ने हम सबको सूरज और चांद दिया है. నిశ్చయముగా పాఠశాల తరగతి 8 నేను సాధ్యమే అహం గదిదా గదాదరుగా మీరు ఎన్ని గ్రహించాలి సింహం గడిదా కదా ప్రజూదకంగా ఉంది స్నేహం మధురమైనది అనే ఆసన సింహం గుజాగ్రత్త చేయాలి ఉపాయగతీరంగా ఉంటుంది. మీరు మీ స్నేహితులతో ఎలా ఉంటారు రాయండి. లోకంలో స్నేహం ముదరమైంది. తల్లిదండ్రులు తర్వాత మనం నమ్మదరని వ్యక్తి స్నేహితులు. స్నేహం ధర్మాన్ని నేను తప్పుకు పాటిస్తాము నాకు తప్ప అంతు మంచి అప్పని తరలు దానారు పరీలు నీలు గరి దాజీ కలం Myself Khadija Begum from 8th standard. Today our topic is the earthen goblet. Poem. Oh silent goblet, red from head to heel. How did you feel when you were being twirls upon the potter's wing? Before the potter gave you the world, I felt conscious impulse in my clay to break away from the great potter's hand that burned so warm. From 8th standard. Today we are explaining you about reaction with oxygen. Know the reaction of oxygen with metals and non-metals. Material liquid. One metal sample magnesium and non-metal sample sulfur, spirit lamp, blue litmus paper, red litmus paper, Bunsen burner and distilled water, petrolatum, etc. Take a small strip of magnesium and burn it. Take a small quantity of powder separated in spoon and heat it on a sprit lamp. Collect the ashes of magnesium in a test tube and add some distilled water to it. Test the solution with red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. Note the color in tables. After we show the table, we can observe metallic oxide. Oxide is the basic nature, whereas non-metallic oxide solution are acid in nature. The solution applied magnesium plus oxygen magnesium oxide, sulfur plus oxygen sulfur oxide. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Saleh Hussain. I am studying in 8th. Today our topic is social reformer. Why do you think people like Ramabhai paid special attention to the condition of widows?
Writers tell us about the fateful condition of the widows. They serve because they don't have income, need freedom and education. Ramabhai paid special attention to the condition of widows because widows were served in those times. And Ramabhai tried to abolish such a system also.
Explain the role of Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a social reformer in India in 19th century.
Raja Ram Mohan Roy was born in 1772 in Bengal. He was a great scholar of Sanskrit, Persian and Greek.
He also studied several religions, philosophy like Hinduism, Islamic, Christianity and Sufism.
मज़मून लिखिए। अल्लाह ताला ने इंसान को हाथ काम करने के लिए और पाँव चलने के लिए और इंसान बाले और इस तरह इंसान के जमीन और आसमान बनाया है। दिन और रात, दिन काम करने के लिए और रात आराम करने के लिए है। Hello everyone, myself Afroz Begum. I am studying here. Today I am explaining about question and answer. Will the government intervenes if some religious group says that their religion allows them to practice anything? For your answer. The government intervenes in India circulating the state country intervenes in religious affairs. These interventions will be according to the ideals of constitution.
Why do you think people like Ramabai get special attention to the condition of the people? Many writings tell us about the future condition of their families. It had no economical freedom and education. They have no economical education. The people like Ramabai thought that it was the biggest to live under Indian dates and not oppose them. So they paid special attention to the condition of the people.
Role of Raja Rammohn Roy as a social reformer in India in 19th century. Raja Rammohn Roy was born in Bengal in 1772. He studied several religious philosophies and were convinced that there is only one God. He was convinced that all great religions were incorrect to criticize the religions of others.
Myself Afroz Begum. I am studying Institute. Today I am explaining about the earthen
Goblet.
Goblet.
Poem.
Oh, silent goblet, read from the head to hell. How do you feel when you feel being twirled up on the potter well? Before Potter gave you to the world.
I felt a conscious impulse in my clay to break away from the great potter hand that burned so warm. I felt a vast feeling of sorrow to be cast into my parent form.
ఎంఎస్ విశాలత పాఠశాల తరగతి 8 పరీక్షలకు ప్రశ్నలు జవాబులు దురాశంగా దుఃఖానికి మూలం అట్లాగూ వివరించండి. అక్షకు అంత నా పెద్దలు అంటారు మనవుడు అక్ష జీవి
అని ఆశ దురాశగా మారకూడదు. కొన్ని సందర్భాలలో అత్యాశ ప్రాణాపాయంగా మారుతుంది. ఎంతో మంది ధనం మీద దురాశతో అవినీతి మార్గంలో ధనాన్ని సంపాదిస్తారు.
చిన్నదగిన పద చెప్పిన విని వెంటనే వేగపడక వివరింపడ పొందుతుంది కదా నిజాము తెలిసిన అనుచుడేకి నీతి పడుగు మంది.
Good morning, myself Rabi Fatima from 8th standard. My topic is uses of non-metal. You all are aware of metals, but non-metals are also useful. The three non-metals are sulfur, carbon, iodine. It is used in making firecracks, matchsticks, gunpowder, crackers, and it is found in onion, garlic, eggs, hair, and nails. Activated carbon is used as decolorizing agent and also in water purification system. Iodine is used in medical purpose.
Laws of reflection. A source of light and accused object, a screen, and needed to form a shadow. Lights travel in a straight line. When light gets reflected from a surface, angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. The incident ray, the normal of the point, is incident, and the reflected ray are in the same plane. Mirror.
Uses of plate mirrors in our daily life. Plate mirrors are used for dressing purpose of ourselves. Plate mirrors are used for decorating on walls of some shops like barber shops, jewelry shops, etc. To observe the shop in all direction to get multiple image of the things and person. Mirrors are used in making some optical instrument like periscope, etc. Some types of solar cookers are made by using plate mirror.